Hello guys, thank you for joining me again for another video. How are you guys doing today? In today's makeup tutorial, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Naughty palette. Anyway, this palette looks like this. You guys must have seen it in Huda Beauty page or some reviews on YouTube. More of a nude look type of girl, you are going to like this palette. As you can see, I've not done my face, I've not done anything to my, like, I've not done the foundation review. I'm just going to do like a full glam using this palette while I chat with you guys. So I'm going to compare this palette with the first nude palette that she came out with. Let me just grab it. If you have this first nude palette, I'm just going to do a comparison video. Like, not comparison video, I'm just going to do a comparison between the two palettes for you guys to actually see it. This is the nude palette and this is the naughty palette. Nude and naughty. Nude and they actually complement each other in a way. This is more like a nude pink packaging, while this one is like a wine packaging, if that makes sense. This is more like a nude color. Like, if you are looking for a nude palette, this is where you should go. So it's like the sexy of this. Like, this one is just like, oh, I'm so chilled. While this one is like, boom, here you go, I'm here for fire. When I saw this palette on her Instagram page, I was like, I'm not really feeling it. Like, the colors were just like neutral. But now that it's in front of me, I can really, like, I understand where she's going to. This palette is sexy in a way, like the naughtiness of it. Like, it's sexy in a way. Like, it just scream like chocolate. Like, this color called Passion is like chocolate. I don't know how to explain it. Like, it's making me feel a type of way because of the way she marketed it. Like, even me holding the palette, I feel sexy already. The colors, nice. Yeah, this is okay. You can actually see the shadows. Like, well, I'm quite confused about this part, this shadow here. It's just so creamy. See, just creamy. I'm going to do much talking as I'm using the palette. I'm going to explain the eyeshadow as I'm going on with it. So if you are thinking of buying this for Christmas, I know the Christmas this year is going to be a lot different because of the pandemic, the COVID. Like, I don't know, I'm just praying to God that this thing just pass away and let us have a bit of normalcy in our life. So if you are thinking of having this for Christmas, or you want to buy this as a gift for someone and you're watching this video, or you want to buy this for yourself and you're watching this video, hope this video will be helpful to you. Like, I'm just here messing up with my lighting and finding the balance of things. So I'm going to use the MAC foundation primer, the MAC prep and prime. This is just a sample. I normally go out with this when I'm traveling. Since it's a pandemic, I can as well use it. So I'm going to use foundation. I'll just use the Huda Beauty stick foundation. I've done review of this on my YouTube channel. I'll link it at the description bar and on top of here. See the Huda Beauty brush. Use this to buff this into my skin. For concealer, I'm going to using the Laura Mercier concealer. This one is really small. I'm so used to big applicator on concealer now. This one feels so small. I feel like why I've used a beauty blender or a sponge to blend my concealer. Like, I just enjoy using brush these days. So I'm using this Technique brush. To just blend the days. I'm not talking too much like on this thing because the eyeshadow is the real deal of this tutorial. I use the L'Oreal Mercier translucent powder to just set this. Really nice powder. You just need to know how to use it. I'll apply more underneath my eyes because of the fallout and let's bake. It's been a while I said that. Baking. Tanto. I'll use the shade medium. The brush I use in applying the powder, I'll just use this to scrub my face. You see that? That is the foundation routine done and dusted. Very simple and quick. Nobody had time. This is 2020. Things have to be moving fast. Brows. Then we start this. Like someone was asking me in one of my previous videos what brow pencil I used. This is the one I used. And if you're in the UK, you can get this from Debenhams, I think. So just cleaning the brows. I'm going to use I've been loving this eyeshadow primer by Gerard Cosmetic. It's just amazing. It's an amazing primer. I have the shade medium. A little bit of this primer goes a long way. So I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Naughty palette. So came up with some eyeshadow brushes to go with the collection, and this is 5-piece eyeshadow brush. I'm going to start by using this shade. Okay, I'll just start light. As I apply my eyeshadow, I start light, then I build up the color. The Huda Beauty Naughty palette. I think I'll do my favorite eye look, halo eyes. I love halo eyes. I can see your halo. Yeah, before they'll come and sue me with copyright. Let me stop singing. The eyeshadow is very smooth on the eyes. Fallout, not really. Can't really see fallout, which is nice. I really like when Huda Beauty come out with a big eyeshadow palette rather than the small mini eyeshadow. That's just my opinion. I like the big eyeshadows than the mini. The mini are cute, but I'd rather invest on the big eyeshadow. Because I have hooded lid, it's always moving. My eyelid always move, so I need to pat it. I'm going to use this one. Guys, can you see the pigment of that? Can you see that? I can't see any fallout. Depending on how you pick your eyeshadow from the palette, me, I'm just tapping. I just press, tap like this. That's how I normally take my shadows. Just want to deepen the crease more. Shadow. You'll be thinking, okay, this is just like a basic, like a nude type of eyeshadow because there's no color. Like there's no green, there's no black, there's no black in this palette. But you can still do it very, very, very nice smoky eyes with this shade. It's got shameless. So like that on the lid. Oh yes. Oh there, that is beautiful. This is a beautiful shade. This is the Huda Beauty eyeliner. This eyeliner is two-sided, the liquid and the waterline liner. In this shade on my under eyes. It's not showing on the brush. My hand, you see? It's so don't get mad if some of the shade is not showing on your brush. It's just the way they like formulated it. I think it's meant to be applied with your hand. Like this palette, me and you, we are going to rock this holiday because it's perfect for the holiday. Even though we are not going anywhere, we can look cute and stay at home. Use the Huda Beauty mascara. It's also two-sided mascara. Since my lashes is not existing, I will have to apply false lashes. Hi Carl, do you want to come say hello? What did you eat? I look pretty, right? I know, I look good. I look good. The Huda Beauty lashes for the eyes. Yep. Apply the lash glue directly in my lash line, not on my lashes, on the lash line. Just a little bit. Pixie Beauty missing spray. This will just give my skin a little bit of glow and look dewy. So I'll try and let me see how the ladies night will go first, because I love ladies night. Let me just add the other one. Okay guys, the last thing I'm going to do is to apply highlighter. I'm going to glue Shine Bright Laura Geller. Like I barely touched the brush. Like this glue is everything. Like Gutted Honey is like do people see apply highlighter to their nose? Like why not? Woo. Like I'm feeling myself. Come on. Like Huda Beauty. Huda, you need to be coming out with big palette every time because I'm badass, sexy, I look good. Okay, let's finish this tutorial. Let me go and edit it. I look good, period. End it there. There's nothing else to say. There's nothing else to see. There is nothing. My skin look good. Makeup looks good. Eyeshadow looks banging. Done. Dusted. Review done. Thank you for watching. God bless you. I'll see you in my next video. Remember what I always say, be yourself, be true to yourself, love yourself, do you always, and remain blessed. Done.